G'day guys, you may have seen some of these ball nose cutters on our website, and some of you may have wondered what the application is and what you may use them for. Now you can use them to make cool little things like this little speaker here, where you've got a contoured profile like that. Now you don't need a 5-axis machine to do this sort of work. All you need is a ball nose cutter. Now I'll show you why you use a ball nose cutter. So as you are using the ball nose cutter, as you move across the profile, you're actually moving across different parts of the ball nose, but each time you have the most amount of surface area actually doing the cutting. And so as you go across, you step it over and you do the different passes, and that gives you this amazing contour profile using a ball nose cutter. You can have all different sizes of ball nose cutters. You use the bigger ones where you need to do larger passes, and as you get to the final pass and you want to go extremely detailed, you can go down to a really small cutter like this 3mm, and gives you a really tight radius. Additionally, you can either use a 2-wing cutter or a 3-wing cutter if you need to speed it up.